Let's play and move and learn some more. With action words we can explore. Zip, zoom, roar, come join the crew. There's so much more we all can do. Zip like a rocket to the moon. Zoom down fast, we'll land real soon. Laugh and giggle, feel the cheer. Shout hooray so all can hear. Roar like a lion, strong and loud. Drum your hands to make a sound. Snap like a crab, go side to side. Wink your eye, now try to hide. Dig a hole deep in the sand. Wave a flag with your free hand. Float like a bubble in the sky. Blow it gently, watch it fly. Scratch your head, what do you think? Sniff a flower, pink or pink. Lift a box but not too high. Toss a beanbag, give it a try. Swing your arms like a monkey might. Juggle socks, keep them light. Bend your knees and duck down low. Zoom like a train and off you go. Shake a rattle nice and loud. Spin a wheel and feel so proud. Zip your jacket nice and neat. Float again, don't miss a beat. Let's play and move